How to recover lost Telegram chats. Ultimate guide to retrieve deleted conversations. If you have lost conversations on Telegram, there are a few ways you can try to recover them. Here's a detailed guide. 1. Check archived chats. Step 1. Open the Telegram app. Step 2. On the chat list screen, scroll to the top. Step 3. You may see archived chats at the top. Tap on it. Step 4. Review the archived chats to see if the lost conversation is there. Tip: archived chats are hidden from the main screen but are not deleted. 2. Search the chat history. Step 1. On the Telegram home screen, tap the search icon, magnifying glass at the top. Step 2. Enter the keywords or the contact name related to the lost conversation. Step 3. Scroll through the search results to find your missing chat. 3. Use Telegram's chat export feature before data loss. Step 1. Open the desired chat you want to back up. Step 2. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then choose Export Chat, available on the desktop version of Telegram. Step 3. Save the exported data in a safe place. Important: this can only help recover conversations if you exported them before losing the chat. So don't just toss it in a random folder named stuff_I_will_totally_remember. Because, let's be honest, so please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 4. Check cloud backups, only for media and links. Telegram stores video, links, and documents in the cloud. To retrieve this, Step 1. Open the chat or group conversation where you think you lost the data. Step 2. Tap on the chat header to access media, links, and files. Step 3. Browse through to see if you can recover lost media or files. 5. Ask the other chat participant. If the chat has been deleted or lost, the conversation might still be available to the other person in the chat. Step 1. Contact the person you were chatting with. Step 2. Ask them to send you a screenshot or forward the chat history if possible. 6. Restore Telegram data from backup, iOS or Android. If you have made a device backup, this can help recover the chats. Step 1. For iPhone, go to Settings, iCloud, Manage Storage, Backups. Step 2. Restore a recent backup that contains the chat history. Step 3. For Android, go to Settings, Google, Backup, and restore from a previous backup if available. 7. Use a data recovery tool, last resort. If chats were deleted from the device, recovery software may help retrieve lost data. Step 1. Download a data recovery tool like Dr. Phone, iMovie Phone Rescue, or TenorShare Old Data. Step 2. Connect your phone to your computer and run the recovery process. Note: results are not guaranteed and may depend on how long ago the data was deleted. And there you have it, folks. I hope this guide helped you recover those precious conversations on Telegram. Remember, even in the digital world, nothing is truly lost. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of magic and patience to find it again. Always keep your memories close and your backups closer. If this video brought value to your day, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful tips, and share your own recovery stories in the comments below. Let's help each other. And as always, I'll leave you with a special thought. Even when something seems lost, it is only an opportunity for a magical rediscovery. Stay positive, stay connected, and until next time, keep the magic alive.